Today I've got laid out our Impala SS kit. It doesn't only fit the 94 to 96 Impalas, it fits majority of the GM B-body cars all the way back from 71 to 96. And I've got a combination of a single adjustable and a double adjustable, just stuff laid out so that you can see how the kit is. The difference between the single adjustable and the double adjustable kit is you can separate the rebound and compression adjustment. So on the front shock you can see there's a knob on the top and a knob on the bottom. So the bottom is compression, the knob on the top is rebound. So there's 20 points of adjustment range with the rebound, and there's 6 points of compression adjustment. On the rear, I've got the single adjustable shock, so it only has the rebound knob on the top. This style knob has 11 points of adjustment. If it was a double adjustable, there would also be a compression knob on the bottom like this one does. But like I said, I've just laid some stuff out so that I can show you how everything works. We have our lower bracket, our upper bracket. So on this upper bracket, when you put it on, it's going to use the original upper mounting locations, and we've added a third location. You will have to drill it out to 3/8, but we'll use the bolt hole as the guide to drill it. On the lower bracket, we're going to use the original lower shock bolt location and run a longer bolt, and that's where the lower end of the shock is going to mount. But we will also have to drill a 1/2 inch hole on the top side in the axle housing. So by adding this third hole, what that's going to do is it's going to stabilize this bracket and add additional support, so you're not only using the one point to support it on your axle housing. We also have the thrust bearings included. So the thrust bearings go on your spring seat, so you don't have all of the friction from the 700-pound spring. And so when you're going to make your adjustment with your spring seat using your spanner wrench, this is going to allow it to be a lot easier to adjust. We also include all brand new grade 8 hardware. So for the lower shock mounts, all of the mounts for the rear shocks, everything is brand new. It's all grade 8. We also have the reinforcing plates that are going to go into the lower A-arm. It spreads the load from the T-bar over a greater area on your lower control arm. We also have our coil springs, and so the top side has got the large diameter so it fits in your upper spring pocket, and then we have a 2.5 inch lower pigtail that will allow it to sit on the spring seat just like this. So this kit is going to allow you to adjust your ride height. The adjustment range is from about stock ride height in the front to about a 2-inch drop. The rear is going to be about stock ride height to a 3-inch drop. And I always use the term about. These cars are now 25, 30 years old, so what you're seeing now is not necessarily how the car was built from the factory when it was new. The biggest advantage of this kit is it's going to allow you to adjust the ride height to exactly where you want it to sit. So what you're going to experience, this is a performance shock and a performance spring combination, so you're going to have an improved handling, you're going to have great ride quality, and it's just going to overall make a nice car out of your Impala. For more information about our Impala SS kit or any other Aldan American product, check us out at aldanamerican.com.